Good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing today? Good, good, good. Well, my name is Erick Varela. I am a relationship manager with RetireLogix. And for those of you that may not be familiar with us, we just celebrated our 17th anniversary, actually, of creating interactive financial planning software. And in that time, we've received various accolades from several different financial institutions, magazines, that sort of thing. We are an end-to-end solution. We offer a variety of web-based and mobile application comprehensive financial tools. We have prospecting tools like RetireLogix, something that I'm really excited to tell you about a little bit later on, RetireLogix Mobile. We have a client-facing portal as well as an advisor-facing portal. We also offer a pretty robust reporting module that's highly flexible. We integrate with over 35 different platforms. We aggregate data, and we have document vault storage. Now, what I'd like to talk about are a couple of things today. The first in the theme of advisor adoption or the lack thereof. What we typically find is that when we have advisors that are presented with a comprehensive financial planning tool, they're a little bit intimidated by it. In fact, they kind of run to the hills because they say, there's absolutely no way that I'm going to be able to ever learn this and adopt it around my business. So they keep doing what they've always been doing, or they do it the old-fashioned way. So what we've done to combat that is we've developed a tool called RetireLogix Retirement, and this is the video of it that you're seeing right now. Now, RetireLogix Retirement is easy to use, easy to learn, but it's still robust. It delivers reports to clients that are digestible, but also highly informative. The software is also highly customizable on both an enterprise level and on an aesthetic interface level. It's a tool for advisors to address both high net worth clients and the mass affluent, which is something that we don't usually delve into within this industry. Now, something else that we find at RetireLogix that advisors do have an issue with is generating reports for their clients that are just cookie cutter, that any advisor can do with the same software. So this is where our highly customizable part comes into play. And by that I mean this. On an enterprise level, enterprises have the ability to implement their own algorithms into their own proprietary econometric models to deliver suggestions to clients. Now, what that means is that every deliverable that's coming out of this firm that's customized this algorithm is going to have reports that are not only compliant, but consistent, and most importantly, highly unique for that firm. We call this planning within guardrails. Now, from a BD standpoint as well, if we have if we have advisors or asset managers that really haven't stepped into the realm of planning yet, they're able to plan within these guardrails. That means that they're not going to suggest something that they necessarily shouldn't have to do. Now, as I've been talking for the last 2 minutes or so while this video has been playing, all the data that would need to be entered for a plan has been entered, and all we have to do now is select a report, and we're on our way. So in about 2.5 minutes, this allows somebody to give somebody a comprehensive look at what their financial plan might need to be. Now, another one of our tools, and this is just more information on that, another one of our tools is RetireLogix. Now, this is a prospecting tool. It's also a digital business card. Once an advisor gives a prospective client their unique advisor login when they've downloaded this application, the client can then go in, they can enter in their financial picture, their financial goals, and from there, they have the ability to hit one button, and then when that happens, the advisor is notified. The information that they put into the application actually goes directly into our RetireLogix full suite, and within about 60 seconds, the advisor can email this client back, give them access to the client portal, and give them a comprehensive financial plan. There's also branding with this app. Everything about the advisor is going to be in it. Any write-ups that you want, all your LinkedIn information, your Facebook, anything you want directly from the app, no need to go anywhere else. Now, the next thing, and again, this is something that's very interesting to me. We've been working on it a long time. It's our RetireLogix mobile app. It's an adaptation of our client portal. It has all the functionality of that, including keeping track of all of your finances in one app. You can link your accounts via aggregation, and the clients can view absolutely everything that they have. Now, this is also an answer to the whole robo-advisor thing. What this does is it enables, through goal-based tracking, the advisor to show their clients that they do have the same capabilities of a robo-advisor, and it attaches value to that advisor more so than that robo-advisor can. You can also track your investment portfolios, and of course, all of this is kept secure by biometric access. So unless it's them actually touching the phone, you can't even get into the program. Now, a little bit more about the capabilities of a robo-advisor, the suggestions that they make, and how we facilitate the advisor to be able to do that. You can actually track the progress towards your financial plan with this in way of suggesting to the client what they need to be saving this month for the next 4 months and what they have as a comprehensive goal. Now, as you're tracking that progress, you can actually put it up next to the goals that you've set within the full RetireLogix suite. It's going to give you an idea by percentage what chance you have of attaining that goal. And then it's also going to show you, it's going to let you list the priority that you can set that goal in. After you have them, you can evaluate those goals, and you can set your priorities accordingly. For example, maybe if you can afford, you have a 100% chance of getting that BMW at 70, but it's going to take away from your retirement. Our document vault storage is still alive and well in the mobile app, and in fact, you can view the documents right in the app now without a PDF viewer. You can share documents with a click of a button. You can also take a picture of a document, a W-2, something like that. It'll go right in. Just like the RetireLogix app, the advisor is right in the client's hand. You can text, you can call, everything right without having to leave the app, forgetting what you were doing, anything like that. So again, this is a highly highly powerful tool when it comes to goal-based planning, right up against your plan, being able to aggregate all of that information in together. Now, I know I had a lot of products to go over, and I can't get in as depth as I'd like to, so I'd really love to meet some of you that I haven't already. I'll be at my booth for the rest of the day, and I thank you for your time.